Today we're going to build the Osborn model kit bundle of ties, number 1095. There's 6 bundles of ties in this kit. We'll open her up, take out our instructions and all the other pieces. Only basic tools are needed for this. And essentially all you're doing here is stacking things. We'll cut out one set here. Leaving things in blocks. Alright, then we're going to use these are the pieces that'll go in between the ties. Again, well-bond glue. Center them. Put another dab of glue on top of here. Stack another one on top. Put a dab of glue right there. Another one. Another dab of glue. And one more spacer. You can get low on glue. Just like that, they're all stacked up. I like to straighten them just a little bit. And there's your bundle of ties. We're going to let that sit for just a couple minutes, and then we're going to wrap them with the wire wrap. Alright, so we'll take our little knife here. I'm going to take off a strap, like so. Oops. And we're just going to lay it over top like this. Take off another one. Place in the center. And then we're just simply going to wrap them around. And if you don't get it right on the bottom, it doesn't matter too much because you won't see it. And just like that. Any of the leftover can be cut off with some scissors. So what I'll do is just cut these little pieces off here. As I say, this part doesn't matter too much because these are underneath. Okay, now what I like to do is take some of the Hunterline weathering mix. This is the creosote black. And what I like to do is just paste this on here. and gives you a really good look. Don't worry about going over the vinyl strapping. It gives you a really nice look.